You are absolutely audible to me and I can hear you
Okay.
perfectly. Yes.
Okay. So, how you doing today?
Yes, I'm doing fantastic. And today I am very happy because I have connected with you again.
Okay. Thanks a very lot, Tom. Love to see you again, and quite a lot of time.
Yes.
So, how is there anything that you like to ask me or wish to tell me about, Mr. Paper Top?
Okay, so I think you should introduce yourself to me again. Actually, I know you very well, but I want you to introduce yourself again.
You want me to introduce myself again, so have you forgotten so quickly?
No, no, I haven't forgotten you, but yeah.
Yeah,
So,
but
but if you introduce yourself again, then
well, my name is Mitri Reddy, or you can call me Mutkinaran Das if you like, or Narayan as my nickname.
okay,
Or I am a part-time lecturer at Institute, okay?
okay,
And I'm currently pursuing my master's in philosophy. So is it okay to tell you, or is it
yes,
enough information?
absolutely, it
Okay.
is enough, and
Oops.
it's a mind blowing.
Okay, so tell me about yourself as well. Are you a YouTuber by any chance, Mr. Top?
Yes, right, right, absolutely correct.
Oh, so you're to YouTube. You haven't sent me the link of the video that you uploaded.
Actually, that time I did not record that video, but now I
Okay.
am recording this video.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds great to hear that. Sounds great. So you will gonna upload it tomorrow or today?
Yes,
I
tomorrow.
guess tomorrow. Okay,
Absolutely, tomorrow.
tomorrow.
I will upload this video
So you
tomorrow.
happen to have my Instagram ID, I guess. Do you have it still?
No, 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 no. Actually, I couldn't get your Instagram ID.
Oh, so okay, so you can try Meet Trivedi
Okay.
or Dasji Maharaj.
Okay, that's Ji Maharaj.
Yeah, you will gonna find my profile pic on it, and you can recognize it with the glasses or with my face if you can. So,
Yes,
and it's
definitely.
public. It's not private. It's public, so you can look into the photos and can get to know about me as well.
Okay, okay, amazing. Okay, so as you told me earlier that you are a trainer,
Student
something,
or lecturer.
lecturer, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so you are a lecturer or like in university, college, school.
Institute, not a college. It's institute.
Okay. Okay, so where this institute situated?
Well, it's in Vrindavan, or you can say near Mathura or Vrindavan. It's in
Okay.
between.
Okay, and as well as you are learning this language. Okay, so like English is necessary for your profession.
No, it's not. But if I have to give lectures to the student, then I need to have a certain pronunciation and accent. So that's why it's important and necessary to speak and be able to conversate with any person in English. So that's why.
Okay. That's why you are improving your pronunciation and
Well,
accent.
I'm not improving it or I'm not trying. but it's like it's happened on its own.
Yeah.
That's what I'm doing.
Yeah, but your pronunciation and your accent both are very good.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Actually, I think you are practicing a lot.
No, I'm not practicing it. I told you it's on its own. Well, what are your hobbies, Mr. Abhay Pratap?
What are my hobbies? Okay, so like hobbies means when we are free, so that time whatever work we do in that time, that is called hobby, right?
I didn't ask you definitions. I
Yes,
asked you what
absolutely.
are your hobbies.
Yes, you didn't ask me a definition. I like clarify this, and then now I'm going to start telling about my hobbies. So talking to people is my hobby. I want to
So
talk to a
what's your
stranger.
okay? So having a conversation with strangers is your hobby. Good, sounds great. So